Why does the automotive industry need its own quality standard? After all, ISO 9001 already exists. So what makes automotive different? In this industry, quality is not just important, it is critical. Products are produced in very high volumes, with complex supply chains, and extremely low tolerance for defects. Even a small issue can lead to massive recalls. This is where IATF 16949 comes in. It builds on ISO 9001, but adds automotive-specific requirements. And in this video, we break down what that actually means. Automotive quality is fundamentally different. Think about the scale. Millions of vehicles, produced across global supply chains, multiple suppliers, multiple tiers, all connected. Now imagine a small quality issue, not in one product, but across thousands, or even millions of units. That is the reality in automotive. And that is why detection alone is not enough. The focus shifts to prevention. IATF 16949 addresses exactly this challenge. So what exactly is IATF 16949? At first glance, it looks similar to ISO 9001, and that is no coincidence. IATF 16949 is built on ISO 9001. It uses the same structure and the same foundation. But here is the key difference. It adds automotive-specific requirements. These focus on defect prevention, process control, and supplier management. Because in automotive, quality must be ensured across the entire supply chain. And this is why many OEMs require IATF certification. What makes IATF 16949 different in practice? It is not just a generic quality system. It puts a strong focus on defect prevention. Instead of reacting to problems, the goal is to avoid them. Another key element is advanced planning. Products and processes must be defined early and in detail. Supplier management is also critical. Because quality depends on the entire supply chain, continuous improvement is not optional. It is expected. And finally, risk-based thinking. Potential issues must be identified early, before they become real problems. What are the outputs of IATF 16949? What do organizations actually gain from implementing it? First, you get standardized processes. This ensures consistency across projects and locations. Another key output is robust documentation. Products and processes are clearly defined. Supplier integration is also a major aspect. Quality must be ensured across the entire supply chain. You also get data-driven insights. Performance is measured and continuously improved. And finally, evidence of defect prevention. Not just fixing problems, but avoiding them. Where does IATF 16949 fit within the automotive industry? It is not just a company-level standard. It connects the entire supply chain. From suppliers to OEMs. In automotive, quality must be consistent across all partners. Otherwise, the final product is at risk. IATF 16949 creates a common framework, a shared language for quality, and this is critical because suppliers often work with multiple OEMs. Standardization reduces complexity and improves collaboration. What challenges arise in practice? Automotive quality is not easy to manage. One major challenge is supplier complexity. Multiple tiers, different regions, and varying maturity levels. Ensuring consistent processes across all suppliers is difficult. Production variability adds another layer. High volumes, tight tolerances, and constant pressure. Traceability is also critical. Every issue must be tracked and understood. And finally, there is always a balance. Efficiency versus compliance. Too much structure can slow things down. Too little creates risk. There are several common misunderstandings about IATF 16949. One of the most common is that it is just ISO 9001 with a different name, but that is not accurate. It builds on ISO 9001, but adds automotive-specific requirements. Another misconception is that certification guarantees product quality, but quality depends on execution, not just certification. Some also believe that more documentation automatically improves quality. In reality, process effectiveness is what matters. Another misunderstanding is focusing only on audits, but audits are just checkpoints. The real objective is continuous improvement. Let's summarize the key points. IATF 16949 is built on ISO 9001. It uses the same foundation, but extends it for the automotive industry. The focus shifts towards defect prevention and strong process control. It also applies across the entire supply chain, from suppliers to OEMs. So here is the key takeaway. Automotive quality is not just about meeting requirements. It is about ensuring consistency at scale. If you want to go beyond this introduction to IATF 16949, we offer a wide range of online training programs on our website. We have a strong focus on automotive topics, including functional safety, automotive spice, and automotive cybersecurity. These are key areas for developing modern vehicles. At the same time, we also cover other industries, such as aerospace and medical devices. And if you're interested in more general standards, we also offer training on ISO 9001 and ISO 27001. You can find the link in the video description and in the pinned comment below. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'm curious, are you already working with IATF 16949? Or are you currently preparing for certification? And if you want to dive deeper into automotive topics, we have many more videos on this channel covering functional safety, automotive spice, and related standards.